Hello guys, welcome back. I just want to say a big thank you to my subscribers, both the old and new subscribers. You guys are really amazing and I love you all. I hope you guys are doing great. Today you are going to see how Greek yogurt is made. Greek yogurt is simply a type of yogurt that has been strained to remove some of its wear, resulting in a thicker, creamier consistency, which is richer in taste. So after knowing what Greek yogurt is, you can learn how to make it. I'm going to be using full fat milk. You can use skim milk for this, it still works well. I'm adding a liter of milk to the pot. Now I'm placing the milk on a gas stove. I'm going to leave the milk to heat up a little bit until it starts to simmer. Just before the milk comes to a simmer, I'm going to stir it every now and then to make sure it doesn't burn. Meanwhile, I'm cooking this on medium heat. Now, I'm going to leave the milk to cook for 10 minutes while stirring. Okay, I have shown how to make regular yogurts before. I'm going to be putting up a link to the video so you can watch it later. So this is it. After boiling this for 10 minutes, I'm simply going to put up the heat. Now I'm going to empty the milk into a bowl which I'm going to use to make the yogurt. You can use any of your favorite bowl. Let's leave the milk to sit for 20 minutes to cool down. Now we have the milk resting for 20 minutes. Sometimes it can take about 20 to 25 minutes. It all depends. So at the end of the 20 minutes, I'm going to dip a clean finger into the milk and wait for 8 seconds. At the end of 8 seconds, you begin to feel the heat of the milk. It means it's time to add your starter culture. This is to ensure you don't add your starter culture too late or too early. The starter culture you're going to use should be an active one, so you're going to add this to the milk. This is 1 tablespoon of starter culture. You can add about 2 tablespoons if you're using close to 2 liters of milk. So I'm going to scoop the milk into this to just stir it to dissolve it. Now we have a runny culture here, so I'm going to bring this into the milk. After adding that, I'm going to stir this just a few times. Don't overstir this, just 1 or 2 times will do. Now I'm going to make sure I keep the milk as warm as possible, so I'm placing a cling film over this to conserve the temperature of the milk. You can just skip this step, it's not necessary. I'll still put a lid over this. Next, I'm going to place a thick blanket over the milk. You can just use a thick towel. Sometimes I leave this in a warm oven to rest. Then I put some boiled water over it just to keep the oven environment warm for a while. This will sit for 8 to 10 hours. You can leave the milk in the warm kitchen at one corner. So I'm going to leave the milk here to sit for 8 to 10 hours until the yogurt is set. Okay guys, this is our yogurt after leaving it in a warm place for 8 hours. So let's see what it looks like. Okay, very thick. It is very thick. Now the end product is what determines the Greek yogurt, so I'm going to strain this. Greek yogurt is simply a strained yogurt. So I'm simply going to place a strainer over another bowl. Then I'm going to be using this chiffon material. If you have a cheese cloth, you can use that. I just make sure I double it so the yogurt don't drain out because the material is quite light. I'm simply going to bring the yogurt into the strainer. So you can see how thick it is. It's quite thick, but we still need to strain this. Okay. I'm simply going to strain out the whey that started coming out already. So right away I'm going to pop this into the fridge for 4 hours and allow it to strain. Just going to fold this a little bit. This way it's better. So let's leave this in the fridge to sit for 4 hours. Okay guys, this is exactly 4 hours of leaving this to sit in the fridge. I just brought it out. Okay, this is it. Thicker than the way it was because the whey has been drained out. Take a look at this. It is very thick. Okay, this is our Greek yogurt. And here is the whey. It smells good though. I have not really figured out what to do with the whey, so I'm just going to discard it and focus only on the yogurt. You should know that after straining out the whey, the yogurt becomes smaller, so you should expect that when you're making this. Okay, I'm just going to take this out of the strainer. Okay, our Greek yogurt is here. So guys, our Greek yogurt is ready. Greek yogurt has lower sugar compared to the regular yogurt. Removing the whey leaves it a thick and a creamier consistency and with a tart taste. You can use this Greek yogurt as a topping and as a spread on your bread and crackers instead of butter. If you need a creamier pasta sauce, you can use it for that. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel, please. Like this video and also leave your comment. Share with your friends who love Greek yogurt. Thank you. Until next time, see you soon. Bye.